Welcome to She's Fluent English Academy. Today, we're learning about the basic sentence structure in English: subject, verb, and object. Understanding this is key to speaking and writing correct English sentences. The subject is the person or thing doing the action. For example, in the sentence, "She reads a book," the subject is she. The verb is the action or state. In our example, the verb is reads. Verbs show what the subject is doing, like eat, write, or jump. The object is the person or thing affected by the action. In the same example, the object is a book. Many learners forget the subject or object. For instance, instead of saying, "reads a book," you must include the subject. She reads a book. Another common error is incorrect word order. For example, the ball kicks he should be corrected to he kicks the ball. Remember, the basic sentence structure is subject plus verb plus object. Practicing this will make your English sentences clear and correct. Try writing your own sentences in the comments below